So before I jump into the content, before I start talking about this interesting scenarios which I prepared for you guys in this video, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, if you monitor this price action of Bitcoin here in a 4-hour time frame, you can see Bitcoin looks like getting attracted towards the May month CPR. Yes guys, for the month of May, Bitcoin was choosing a trend direction without touching any of these three trend lines, which makes it a VCPR, and we know VCPR attracts the price. So since the price was heading upside without touching any of these three trend lines, I showed you two examples. Either it will be a move towards this R1 line first, and then a free fall towards the CPR before continuing with an uptrend, or more of a sideways movement, Bitcoin testing the support from this May CPR, and only after that a continuation in this manner. So doesn't matter whichever scenarios plays out, there will be a test around this CPR trend line. So for us, it's better if we see a pullback now, there's the support from the CPR trend line, and then a continuation uptrend, because this is an ascending CPR, and ascending CPR only gets formed during an uptrend. So that's why for us, doesn't matter. We just need the price of Bitcoin to remain above 90,000, and remaining above 90,000 means any sort of a pullback will be giving us a buying opportunity. And also with the help of this Williams alligator indicator, I was very clear with you guys, since this here was a bullish cross, green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom. Now any sort of a pullback, just like what happened here, the same trend line will be holding us. I mean, it will be acting as support, but during downtrend, the same trend line acts as resistance. So if you look in our case, Bitcoin tested the support from this top Williams alligator indicator, and now we are holding around that area. So even if the price fails and shows a continuation in this manner, please do not panic. As long as we remain above 90,000, any sort of a pullback will be just a temporary pullback before expecting a continuation in this manner, because pullback around this Williams alligator indicator means a pullback around the CPR trend line, which will be acting as support, and then a continuation of an uptrend. And not only that, even with the help of this rising wedge, I was very clear with you guys on my previous video, in the mid short term we might see pullback. Bitcoin looks like following this bearish continuation pattern, but after testing the support which you have from the CPR trend line, after testing the support which you have from this Williams alligator indicator, we might make a recovery, a move in this manner. You can see a bearish continuation with a V-shape type of recovery. So same thing, V-shape or a U-shape type of recovery could be unfolding in our case as well. So remaining above 90,000 means this pullback, this bearish continuation pattern will bring the price of Bitcoin around 90,000, find bottom, and after that a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery, because we are aware at the moment Bitcoin is also following one of the most bullish continuation pattern known as falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, and just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin also looks like exhausted. I mean, this could be a temporary exhaustion, Bitcoin coming for a retest around 91,000, and then a continuation of an uptrend, because according to this bullish continuation pattern, you can see Bitcoin could be making a new all-time high, because the price opportunity from this falling wedge is definitely going to be at the top, and the top means we are going to be nearing towards the new all-time high. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that as long as the price remains above 90,000, the next area of confluence will be above 100,000. Yes guys, if you look at this bump and run reversal bottom, according to this continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, pullback in the medium short term could be just a temporary pullback. I mean, we might see a move like this, but at the end we are expecting this bullishness to continue, and for this bullishness to continue, we need Bitcoin to remain above 90,000. So remaining above 90,000 means parallelly Bitcoin will be also forming another bullish continuation pattern. I mean, inverted head and shoulder. And if you have watched my previous videos, I have been very clear with you guys. Pull back around the CPR trend line, pull back around this Williams alligator indicator. Even a pullback from this rising wedge doesn't mean we are bearish. Parallelly, we are forming an inverted head and shoulder type of formation. So pullback around 90,000 means a formation of a right shoulder, and you know, if that plays out, this will be another bullish continuation pattern, inverted head and shoulder with price objective above 110,000. I mean, a new all-time high could be imminent. So for this bullish continuation pattern also to play out, 90,000 support in the medium short term must remain. But what if we fail? I mean, what if the price fails to hold the 90,000, starts free falling? What in that case? In that case, we must look at this Elliott wave theory. Yes, guys, Bitcoin failing to find support around 90,000 could be starting with a bearish continuation pattern, and in that case, we must look at this Elliott wave theory. According to this Elliott wave theory, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was our impulsive move. Now, this could be a formation of a corrective move ABC. So this was a move towards 97, 98,000 was our relief rally, and now we might be heading towards this point C. So if we lose the support which we have around 90,000 in the medium short term, we have to be extra careful, because that could be resulting in another continuation towards this point C, which will bring the price of Bitcoin towards our first bearish target according to our leading indicator, which is around 80,600. Yes, guys, failing to find support above 90,000 means 80,600 will be attracting us. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.